Good day to you, Sir Madam. My name is Angeline C. Royal. I'm married and I have 3 children. I have 2 brothers. I have work experience in the Philippines as a domestic helper in 2 years contract. My duties and responsibilities is cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, gardening. I also taking care of children. I give vitamins on time. I give food on time. I think about every day and I give medicine and vitamins based on doctor prescription. Sir Madam, I am honest, patient, hardworking, responsible, and loyal. Sir Madam, please choose me as your domestic helper, and I promise to you that I will do my duties and responsibilities. I promise to you I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.